I'll be very short. Sanbonan, I know would say Aniko right. I'm not going to entertain my comments. I just want to say this once and for all. And then again, you guys can comment under yona. It's fine. I need to take all the bullets and the shots, whatever. I admit I was wrong. I admit I was in bed deal. Each and every relationship you have nama mistakes and you have nama challenges. Whatever that I said about Vuyo was not true, and ngangekho right that time, and I ended up in Kuluma with Umawengana. So yeah, I'm really sorry to Vuyo ne family yakhe ngokumhlambalaza. Same as everyone la uyaba nama mistakes akhe, uyaba nama challenges wakhe, and akaziwa umhlaba wonke. And the person who exposed me is the person naye she was hoping that mina naye one day we're gonna be fine because sinomntwana naye. We also had our own challenges, and now she was hoping that sizoba right and sibe right empilweni. Now akwenzekanga ngaleyo ndlela, so she tried by all means. Ke nami I was stupid ngakhuluma naye wenza ngale ndlela enze ngayo. So what I wanted to say basically ukuthi I'm sorry, I'm really sorry kuyena nabalandeli bakhe ne family yakhe, and also I'm sorry to ifamily yami ngokwenza yonke lento, and bekuyilokho nje. So angimblame uma wengane, ngiblame mina ngokwenza yonke lento le. Imina engiyifake kule rubbish yonke engiyifake kuyona. Yeah. So ningasho noma yini enifuna ukuyisho sengi-acceptile. I had to accept whatever iqhamukayo and deal with it ngendlela yami engizodila ngayo nayo.
Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. I am Mashudu and this is Mashudu Entertainment. Thank you so much you guys for clicking on this video. So guys, this apology from Chef Xolani Sabelo, who is Vuyokazi Nciweni's husband, comes after he publicly humiliated her, saying all the bad things about her to his baby mama, who later exposed him on the internet. Some of the things he said was he doesn't really love Vuyo and Vuyo forced him to marry her. He also added that he will choose his baby mama over Vuyo that he married. And with the way the clip was trending, you guys, it of course landed into Vuyo's ears, who later released a statement expressing to her fans and followers how much she is heartbroken and devastated by what was said by her husband. And now I know the question remains to many of us that what is going to happen to their marriage, because this isn't the first time this guy says bad things about Vuyo with people who later expose him on the internet. Some of them will be girls he will be hitting on. But anyway guys, that is it for now, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please do comment down below what you guys think about this. Also, please remember to like the video, and most importantly, please subscribe to the channel for more on entertainment and celebrity news. Bye guys.